Good morning, everybody. John Diaz, presidential candidate in Colombia, South America. We got a construction site here, a concrete truck made by Mack with a pumping truck. They're pouring the second floor slab. They're building I guess a residential place, and got another Mack truck right there waiting on standby. More American products for you right there. Thanks everyone for watching, and please check out my YouTube channel and all the videos I've made. Please subscribe, please like if you've enjoyed this. And please share with all your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching. Mack trucks, American made, here in Colombia, South America.